Welcome, Milano family, to another episode of the Milano Cooking Show. These are chocolate chip cookie cheesecake bars. They are just delightful. So follow me, follow the recipe, see it, eat it, love it, watch this. So we're gonna start with the crust. So we have butter that I've already melted. We've got graham crackers that we crushed up. We took a little pan, put some parchment paper in it. We've got the oven that is already preset for 325. We're gonna mix the butter, melted butter, into our little graham cracker crust mixture. Once it's mixed up thoroughly, we're going to put it just into our little tin pan, and we're going to bake it for not long, for about 6 minutes. Anywho, so we're gonna take it and we're going to pop it in our little prepared dish. Just gonna spread it evenly. 6 minutes, we'll be right back. So I've got the crust that's in the oven. Meanwhile, we're gonna use 8 tablespoons of this soft butter, because now we're making the cookie dough filling. We're gonna pop in 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. We're going to add now a little bit, 1/4 cup of salt, 3 tablespoons of regular sugar. We're gonna put a teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna mix it up a bit. Okay. It's pretty mixed. We're gonna add 3/4 of a cup of flour, and we're gonna add a cup of chocolate chip into a cookie dough mixture. All right, so we've got the graham cracker crust cooling, right? We've got our cookie dough that's in a nicely shaped ball. Now I put the 8 ounces of cream cheese that I've had out. Okay, we're going to put 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. We're going to put another teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to mix 1 egg. Okay, so now we have our cookie dough. Look at this, it looks beautiful. All right, so we're gonna pop it in the oven and we'll be back at about 35-40. Okay, so we had everything in the oven, put it in the fridge for about 2 hours. So you're gonna pull this out like this. And so we have it easy out, and we're gonna cut it into 12s. We are all done. Look at how cute they are. They're just adorable. This is absolutely incredible. Recipes down below. Follow, give me your comments. Tell me how much you love it. So we look forward to seeing you in the next cooking show. We'll see you next time.